Welcome to Tea Time with Robin. Hey tea lovers, Robin here. I'm the owner of UEndure Tea Company, and I've already introduced you to some of my teas, but I also want to talk about some of my drinkware. Now today I've got a lot of appointments, so I want to take my pumpkin spice chai with me. Now this bottle is called the original Tea Infuser Bottle. It is the absolute amazing infuser bottle where you can brew your tea right in it. You can't see, but it has an infuser basket at the bottom of this tea where you add your leaves and then you just screw it back to the bottom and pour the hot water in. Now, this is the original bottle. This is the top it comes with, but we've enhanced it by giving you the option to do a flip top. And look at this. The flip top, it not only does it lock, but it pops right open. You can either drink right from it or you can put a straw in it. But it's a wonderful way to take your tea on the go. And so we want to make sure you have lots of options. Look at the beautiful container it comes in. How pretty is that? It's literally gift ready. Just put a bow on it. And then we also have the UEndure bamboo bottle. Every one of them come with their own infuser basket. Now the bamboo bottle also has a choice of flip top lids that you can choose from. And the bamboo bottle is one of our signature gifts because a lot of people like to personalize it where you can actually get it engraved on the back or right above or below the logo. With Christmas coming, this is a perfect gift for anyone. You can enjoy your tea, but you can put anything in this bottle. And the reason they're so cool is because it stays hot or cold for a very long time. The reason I love bamboo is because not only is everything sustainable, the natural wood will last a long time. It's a wonderful alternative to plastic. We're all about sustainability at UEndure. I say respect your body, but also respect the environment. And this is why I love sustainable accessories. This is also a limited edition. It's 18 ounces capacity, but look how beautiful this is. It's another infuser bottle with a bamboo lid. Now, as far as the drinkware is concerned, you've seen me brew in our beautiful oversized infuser mugs that come with their own coaster. Look at that. How beautiful is that? And it comes with a lid to help keep your drink warm. Now, in addition to the drinkware, look at these wonderful accessories. It comes in a box like this, but it's a three-part, it's a set of 3 infuser balls. Now look how this one works. I'm going to move this out the way so that you can see how cool it is to use your infuser ball. You just take your tea, open the ball like this, scoop up your favorite tea, level it off, and the thing about this that's so cool is that the holes are tiny. So no matter how fine your tea is, they won't seep out of the holes. So once you get your tea scooped out, then you put it in your mug, you add the hot water and just let it sit there about 5 minutes or whatever the steeping time is. So once you do that, you also have these options. And these are tea infuser bowls as well. You put your tea in here, you close the lid and you hang it. You hang the bowl over your mug. How cool is that? Look how beautiful that is. So you do have a lot of options with UEndure. So remember, in life we all endure, but with UEndure, we make it a lot more enjoyable, even on the go. See ya.